Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to recover your Hatch Target account. In this video, I will show you how to change and reset your password and how to recover your account if the hacker changed your email or phone number. Head down to the description or comment section to view the timestamps. Let's go. To change your password, you want to click on your profile at the top right. Then you want to click Manage Account. Then you want to scroll down and you want to click Settings. You want to click Sign In Security. And it might prompt you to log in, so just enter your password and click Sign In. And I'll just click Skip here. And now next to current password, you want to click Edit. And here you can type in your current password and your new password and click Save. If you're logged out, you can try accessing Target from another device or browser that you already may be logged into. And if you connected any of the platforms on your screen now, you can try logging in via those platforms into Target and then changing your password. And if you're unable to log in, then you would need to reset your password. To reset your password, you want to head over to the Target login page. And you want to enter in either your email or your phone number and click Continue. And now you want to click Forgot Password under the Sign In with Password button. And you'll have two options, either password reset or sign in with a temporary code. For the sake of the tutorial, I'll be doing the password reset method, which is the easier method. But if you want to do the sign in with temporary code method, you can do that as well. And after you get the code and you log in, be sure to change your password. So click Send Code. And now you want to go check your inbox for a message from Target. So the email should look like this, and it should come from orders@oe1.target.com. That OE1 might be a little bit different, but that is the general address. And you want to copy over the code and paste it in and click Verify. And now you want to type in your new password and click Create Password. Once again, if you signed in with the temporary code, it'll just log you in, and then you have to go in and manually change your password. So you'll log in faster, but then you have to go back and change your password. Versus this method, you just type in the code and then you can change your password right away. If you can't find your account information, then you would need to go to the next recovery step. If your email was changed, you want to head over to this Target Contact Us page. It's on your screen now, and it'll also be in the description as well. And you have two ways that you can contact Target support. So the first way is through their guest relations phone number. I'll put it on your screen now, and I'll also have it in the description as well. So you can just call them and explain to them the situation about your account. And the second way is the email us. So this is their email that you can send to them about your security concerns about your account, abuse@target.com. It's also on your screen now, and it'll also be in the description as well. And you can also use the script that I have in the description and tweak it to your situation that your account is in. Once you regain access to your account, make sure to follow the security tips on your screen now to protect your account and prevent future hacks. If you follow the steps in this video and still having trouble with your account, join our Discord community. You'll get help from both us and other members to guide you through the account recovery process and secure your account. For more severe cases, we offer one-on-one single and multi-account recovery help for comprehensive support with hacks affecting multiple accounts. Click the link in the description or on your screen now to join our Discord and get help recovering and securing your account today. Thanks for watching. Stay secure.